wait before you skip this because I want to share something that's been a game changer for me, and it's all about making a simple choice: collagen vs gelatin. Now, I know some of my friends swear by collagen supplements, but let me tell you, I've found that the gelatin trick is where it's at. Researchers say that gelatin is essentially the precursor to collagen, so when you consume gelatin, your body can actually use it to produce collagen, which is pretty cool. My friend recently started doing the gelatin trick, and she noticed that her skin was looking more radiant and her joints didn't ache as much. It's all about giving your body the right tools to heal and nourish itself, and the gelatin trick is a great way to do just that. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you can start to wake up without the bloat and drop that heavy feeling that's been weighing you down. To learn more about how to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily life, check out the link in my description below for a deeper dive into the benefits. And if you have any questions, be sure to check out the pinned comment where I've shared some of my favorite tips for getting started with the gelatin trick.